I can't believe I found it, guys, but this is how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer for iOS and Android. This is so weird, guys. You get a joystick, so you can walk around the Pokemon world from your house. You get a bar on the right side, all this stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, we can change all these settings in here, so it is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, we got like dark mode, all this stuff, so it's super cool. So yeah, you can actually change your character's speed, which is crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get straight into the video. So it's super cool. But one thing we need to do is get the Pokemon trainer code. So make sure you guys have that. And now I'm going to take you over to the website. So the website is called spooferlab.com. So once you're on this website, there's going to be a button that says like inject spoofer now, so just press that and it will download it. But you can read all about it, guys. They have an entire page about like how the spoofer works and stuff, so it's super cool in my opinion. So I'm just going to go ahead and press the button that says inject spoofer now because I am ready for the download. But anyway, it's now going to ask for the trainer code and the platform. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and select my trainer code and platform. So at this point, it will be asking me if I want full edition or custom edition. So this doesn't matter, but the full edition one is like every feature and the custom one is like certain things. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So anyway, guys, now that it is done loading, we should have the spoofer on our device. So let's just give it a second here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to wait for it to load up. So let's see if this works. Okay. So at the end, you can see it says I'm not a robot. So I'm just going to go ahead and press that. And we'll see if this goes through. Alright, and let's see what happens. Alright, verifying. Okay, so it didn't work, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and try it again. So let's just go ahead and do that. And we'll see if this works. So as you can see... Alright, let's see. Yes, it verified. Alright. So this is super cool, guys. So that is how to get it for your device. So that's how to get the spoofer, guys. So be sure to try it out. There's no jailbreak needed or anything like that. So if you guys wanted to get a Pokemon Go spoofer, now you have all the settings here. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super wild. It's updated. So yeah, you can change your speed and stuff. So it's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is so amazing, guys. So hopefully the video works for you, and peace out.